Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out this latest 50p coin from the Royal Mint in brilliant uncirculated finish. If we can just grab that. That is the front of the packaging, that is the back, and the coin is the John Logie Baird 50p coin, 2021 UK 50p, brilliant uncirculated. I'm really excited to get into this pack, see all the information, but on top of that, have a really good close-up look at this coin, which I've already seen in the annual set, and it is stunning. So let's get into it. And with the packaging taken away, that's the front again. And the back, we'll check all of this information out in a bit, the coin specs. And let's have a look inside. So this is like a pull-out sleeve. That means we can discard this to one side for the time being. Let's have a look at all the information that we get in here. So as usual, I'll zoom in on each part of the information, and if you want to have a read of it, feel free to pause it and do so at your own pace. Now look at that for a diagram. What a genius. So in a second I will zoom in on each of those numbers so you can see what everything corresponds to. But that is just simply genius. It's just amazing. Just baffles me. And then we've got some information along the side here. And just in case you can't read that, I'll zoom in on this part before we check out those numbers. Okay, before we check out the coin itself, let's just quickly go over to the back, and before checking out the coin specs, let's check out this information. The father of television, John Logie Baird, was a true visionary, and his exploration into the world of moving images changed the world and altered the landscape for both communication and entertainment. From an inventive youngster to a trailblazing pioneer, Baird's contribution to the world of science and his profound influence on technology in the 20th century unquestionably make him one of the greatest innovators in modern history. And then over to the coin specs. It's a 50p coin, the alloy is cupronickel, the weight is 8 grams, diameter 27.30 millimeters. Obverse designer is Jody Clark and the reverse designer Osborne Ross. And of course, the quality is brilliant uncirculated. Let's have a look at the coin. Starting with the obverse of the coin, nothing to report there. 50p, 2021, Elizabeth II, Jody Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen. But a good strong finish on that brilliant uncirculated coin. And finally the reverse of the coin, which is one of the nicest coins that I've seen in quite a while coming out as a 50p coin from the Royal Mint. I think this is up there with the Sir Isaac Newton one in my opinion. I'm going to get closer in on it now, but just like the grooves, the depth on this coin, I can't do it justice. I mean, you can just about see there with some shadows forming how deep those grooves actually are, but this coin is amazing. John Logie Baird, television pioneer, 1888 to 1946. I love this coin, and to be honest with you, my only regret at the moment is that I didn't get the silver proof. And there we have it. That is the brilliant uncirculated John Logie Baird 50p coin. And like I just mentioned, I'm a bit gutted that I didn't buy this on the day of release in silver proof. I'd already seen the coin, obviously, on the 1st of January, and I saw it in the annual coin set. So I knew how stunning this coin was. But who knows? I might pick one up on the secondary market at some point. It is a stunning, stunning coin. I hope it goes into circulation, but I'm not too sure if it will, but that's just the way that it is at the moment with a lot of coins. I'd like to see this one in circulation. I think that it is amazing. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of the coin? And also, have you bought it? Have Have you got it in the Brilliant and Circulated pack like I have? Maybe you've got it from sites such as Westminster in their blue card version, or maybe some of you have gone for some of those more expensive proof versions. But I want to know in the comment section below because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.